Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Olivia. We're so excited to be here with you today.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel
Yes, click that button right now.
and give us a thumbs up if you want to learn useful English.
Okay, David, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about daily English expressions.
Daily expressions. That means the words we use every single day.
Exactly. From morning until night.
This is very important for everyone learning English.
Yes, these are the most useful phrases.
So, before we start, let me ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
Which English words do you use every day?
Yes. Think about it. Maybe hello or thank you.
Write your answers in the comments below. We love reading your comments.
Okay, let's start with the morning.
The morning. This is when your day begins. David, what's the first thing you say in the morning?
I say good morning.
Perfect. Good morning is a greeting.
Let's explain the word greeting for everyone.
Yes, a greeting is the first thing you say when you meet someone.
Like hello, hi, good morning, or good afternoon.
Greetings are very important. They show you are friendly.
That's right. So every morning, say good morning.
What if someone says good morning to you?
You can say good morning back.
Or you can say morning.
Morning is shorter and more casual.
Yes, with friends or family, you can say just morning.
Okay. After good morning, what do you say?
Usually, I ask, how are you?
How are you is a very common question.
Everyone asks this every day.
And how do you answer?
You can say, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good.
You can also say not bad or pretty good.
And always ask back, how are you?
Yes, this is polite.
Polite. This is an important word.
When you are polite, it means you are nice and respectful to others.
That's right. Being polite is very important in English.
Always say please and thank you.
These are magic words.
Haha. Yes, magic words.
Okay, so you wake up, you say good morning, you ask how are you?
And then, what happens next?
Then you get ready and leave home.
Yes, when you leave home, what do you say?
You can say see you later or goodbye.
See you later is very common.
You can also say have a good day.
Ooh, that's nice. Have a good day means I hope your day is good.
Exactly. It's a friendly way to say goodbye.
What if you're leaving in the evening?
Then you say have a good evening or good night.
Good night is usually when you go to sleep.
That's right. Now, let's imagine you're going to work or school.
Okay. I'm walking to the bus stop.
On the way, you see your neighbor.
Ooh, my neighbor. What do I say?
You say good morning or hello.
And maybe talk about the weather?
Yes, the weather is perfect for small talk.
Small talk. This is an important phrase.
Let me explain. Small talk means a short, casual conversation.
It's not a serious conversation. It's just friendly.
You talk about easy things like the weather, sports, or food.
For example, you can say, nice weather today.
Or it's a beautiful morning.
Or if it's raining, you can say, terrible weather today.
Yes, weather is always a safe topic.
Okay, so I said good morning to my neighbor.
Good. Now you're on the bus.
The bus is crowded.
You need to walk past someone. What do you say?
I say, excuse me.
Perfect. Excuse me is very important.
When do we use excuse me?
We use it when we need to get someone's attention
Or when we want to walk past someone.
or when we want to ask a question.
Excuse me is very polite.
Always use it. Don't push people without saying, excuse me.
That's rude.
Yes. Now, you're almost at work.
I'm walking into the building.
You see your colleague. What do you say?
I say, good morning. How are you?
Great. And what else?
Maybe, how's your day going?
Perfect. How's your day going means, is your day good?
You can also say, how's work? Or busy day?
These are all good for small talk. Okay, now I'm at work.
Good. You sit at your desk and start working.
But wait, I have a question. I need help.
Ah, you need to ask for help. This is very important.
How do I ask for help politely?
You can say, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please? That's easy.
Yes, always add please to be polite.
What if someone asks me, can I help you?
Then you can say, yes, please, or no, thank you, I'm fine.
Can I help you is very common in stores.
Yes, shop assistants always say this.
Okay, so at work, I asked my colleague for help.
Good. And they helped you.
What do I say?
You say, thank you so much, or just thanks.
And what if they say thank you to me?
You say, you're welcome, or no problem.
You're welcome is the most common.
Yes, it means it was my pleasure to help you.
That's nice.
Now it's lunchtime.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Your colleague says, do you want to have lunch together?
What do I say?
You can say, yes, that sounds great, or sure, let's go.
What if I'm busy?
Then you say, sorry, I can't, I'm busy today.
Always say sorry when you say no.
Yes, it's more polite.
Okay, let's say I go to lunch.
Great. Where are you going?
To a cafe.
Perfect. You're at a cafe now.
Yes, I'm looking at the menu.
The waiter comes to you. What does the waiter say?
The waiter says, can I take your order?
Exactly. Order is an important word.
When you order, it means you ask for food or drinks in a restaurant.
So the waiter asks, can I take your order? And you say,
I say, yes, please. Can I have a coffee?
perfect. Can I have is a very useful phrase.
You can say, can I have a sandwich? Or can I have some water?
Yes, always use can I have when you order.
And always say, please.
Right. Now, what if you don't understand something on the menu?
I can ask, what is this?
Good. Or you can say, excuse me, can you explain this, please?
The waiter will explain.
Yes, don't be shy. It's okay to ask questions.
Okay, so I ordered my coffee and sandwich.
Great. You wait, and then the waiter brings your food.
The waiter says, here you are, or enjoy your meal.
And you say, thank you.
Always thank people. It's polite.
Now you finish eating. You need to pay.
How do I ask for the bill?
You say, the bill, please, or can I have the check, please?
In British English, we say bill. In American English, we say check.
That's right. Both are correct.
The waiter brings the bill. It says the total.
Total means the complete amount you need to pay.
The waiter might say, your total is $15.
And then the waiter asks, cash or card?
I say, card, please.
Perfect. You pay, and then you leave.
Before leaving, I say, thank you, and have a good day.
Excellent. You are very polite.
Okay, after work, I need to go shopping.
Good. Where are you going?
To the supermarket.
Perfect. What do you need to buy?
I need milk, bread, eggs, and apples.
Okay. You enter the supermarket. You can't find the milk.
What do I do?
You ask someone. You see a worker.
I say, excuse me, where is the milk, please?
Perfect. Or you can say, excuse me, can I find milk?
The worker says, it's in aisle 3.
And you say, thank you.
Always thank people when they help you.
Yes. Now, you find the milk and the bread and the eggs.
I need a dozen eggs.
A dozen means 12.
Right. And I need a bottle of water.
Good. Now, you have everything. You go to the checkout.
The cashier is waiting.
Cashier. This is our important word.
A cashier is the person who takes your money at a store.
They scan your items and tell you the total.
The cashier says, hello, did you find everything okay?
And you say, yes, thank you.
The cashier scans all my items. Beep, beep, beep.
Then the cashier says, your total is $28.
And asks, cash or card?
I say, card, please.
Perfect. You pay, and then you leave.
The cashier says, here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
And I say, thank you. You too.
Perfect. You are so polite.
Being polite is important.
Yes. Now you're walking home with your groceries.
On the way home, I see my friend.
Ooh, what do you say?
I say, hi, how are you?
Your friend says, I'm good. Long time no see.
Long time no see means we haven't met for a long time.
Yes, it's a casual way to say this.
So I say, I know. How have you been?
How have you been is asking about their life recently.
My friend says, I've been busy. Work is crazy.
You can say, oh, I understand. I'm busy too.
Then my friend says, we should meet for coffee sometime.
And you say, yes, that would be great. Let's do it soon.
Let's do it means let's make a plan.
Exactly. Now you need to say goodbye.
I say, I have to go now. I'm in a hurry.
To be in a hurry. This is our important phrase.
When you are in a hurry, it means you need to go quickly.
You don't have much time.
So I say, I'm in a hurry. See you later.
Your friend says, okay, take care.
Take care is a nice way to say goodbye.
It means be safe and healthy.
I say, you too. Bye.
Perfect. Now you're finally home.
Yes, I'm so tired.
You can say, I'm exhausted, or I'm so tired.
My family is at home. I say, hi everyone, I'm home.
Your family says, welcome home. How was your day?
I say, it was good, but I'm tired.
Then you sit down, relax, and have dinner.
After dinner, it's time to sleep.
You say, good night, everyone.
Your family says, good night, sleep well.
And your day is finished.
Okay, everyone, that was a full day.
Yes, from morning until night.
We used so many daily English expressions.
Let's review all the important phrases.
First, greetings.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night.
And hello, hi, how are you?
Second, polite phrases.
Please, thank you, you're welcome.
And, excuse me, sorry.
Third, asking for help.
Can you help me, please? Can I help you?
Fourth, ordering food.
Can I have the bill, please?
Fifth, shopping phrases.
Where can I find... How much is this?
And sixth, saying goodbye.
See you later. Take care. Have a good day.
These phrases are so useful.
Yes, you can use them every single day.
Now, let's review our important vocabulary.
Word number 1, greeting. The first thing you say when you meet someone.
Word number 2, polite, being nice and respectful to others.
Word number 3, order. To ask for food or drinks in a restaurant.
Word number 4, cashier, the person who takes your money at a store.
Phrase number 1, small talk. A short, casual, friendly conversation.
Phrase number 2, to be in a hurry, to need to go quickly because you don't have much time.
Perfect. Now, before we finish, let me ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
Do you have a favorite daily expression that you learned today?
Or, which situation do you use English the most in?
Please write your answers in the comments.
We really want to know. Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
Before you go, please subscribe to Daily Talking
Click that subscribe button right now.
and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this episode.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English.
And leave a comment. Tell us which phrases you use every day.
We love hearing from you.
Remember, practice these phrases every day.
The more you practice, the better you become.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope these expressions help you in your daily life.
See you in the next episode of Daily Talking.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.